a great choice today with the 2015 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.